Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a health supplement that's been making waves: Ancient Nutrition's bone broth protein in chocolate flavor. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, what is bone broth protein? It's a powdered supplement made from, you guessed it, bone broth. Ancient Nutrition claims it's packed with collagen, amino acids, and nutrients to support your skin, joints, and gut health. And the best part? This one comes in a rich chocolate flavor. One serving gives you 20 grams of protein, just 2 grams of carbs, and no added sugar. It's paleo-friendly, keto-approved, and free of dairy, soy, and grains, perfect for anyone with dietary restrictions. Alright, let's see how it tastes. I'm mixing it with almond milk because chocolate and almond are a winning combo. Wow. The chocolate flavor is surprisingly rich, not too sweet, and there's no weird aftertaste. It's like a guilt-free chocolate milkshake. Definitely a plus for me. High-quality protein packed with nutrients, great for sensitive diets. Slightly pricey compared to other protein powders. Chocolate flavor might be mild for those with a sweet tooth, so who should try this? If you're looking for a clean protein source that supports your skin, gut, and joints, this could be a game changer. But if you're on a budget or prefer stronger flavors, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for tuning into my review of Ancient Nutrition bone broth protein in chocolate. Have you tried it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're curious to give it a shot, check the link below for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and wellness reviews. Until next time, stay healthy.